Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, let's go for a ride, bounce between a couple bars, see what's going on downtown. Should be warmed up here, should be good to go. Apparently we have a new bar that opened up tonight, so we're gonna go downtown and check that out. We'll see what's going on there. It's in our old SRO building. It was the SRO and then it turned to the Boulevard. I used to be a bouncer there for a few years, bouncer and a bartender. Same owners that own the bar that I own now, so I used to work for them, so I bounced at the bar I own now, and I bartended at the bar I own now, and I used to bounce at the bar down here. So we'll go down here and we'll see what kind of bar they just put in it. It's been closed for a few years now. Doug Ford's allowing all the bars to stay open to 4 in the morning also, so I'm kind of curious to see what bars are open tonight. It is a Sunday night, so I'm not thinking too much is going to be open, but anybody looking to take advantage of the 4 in the morning close, they'll be open. So like, we're open tonight. We have our karaoke though every night on a Sunday. Station's always open. They seem closed tonight though. Oh no, they're open. Seems like this place is open tonight. There's people going in it. They might not be open yet though. I've gotten bad information. They're not open tonight. There definitely is a new bar in there though. Must be getting ready to open. Oh, what's going on over here? That's a lot. Fuck. There's a lot of homeless people right there. I think I've ever seen the streets. like nobody on them. It's a ghost town, which is good because that means they're cleaning up some of the homeless, or wrangling them at least to downtown where we just last saw them, which is okay because it cleans up this area. Probably the cleanest I've ever seen this place look. Be like one of the biggest elementary schools I've ever seen a city build. Like they literally built a road, the whole 9 yards, blasted out all that rock just to put an elementary school up there. They moved the elementary school because it was literally like a block over, and they decided to close it down. I literally went to that school that they closed down when I was in like grade 2 and 3. And they closed that one down, and they moved the school like literally one block over in a mountain. They just blasted it out. Cool for the new generation, gets a brand new school. But what was wrong with the old school, bad enough that they had to condemn it? That's scary for all the people like us that went there. Thanks for watching, guys. You're the best. Please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. It all helps move the algorithm. Come join the Sub Beasters. Become an MVP. You guys are the best. Remember to stay safe out there, though, guys. Keep your 2 wheels on the ground. Ride safe. I'll see you guys back in the garage. Peace out.